Okay, so hey everyone, this side Krish, come back with another new video. Now in today's video I am going to show you how we can relock bootloader of your Xiaomi phone, Redmi phone, Mi series phone and Poco series phone. So currently you can notice here I having Redmi 12 5G device and I currently install here Pixel OS custom ROM based on Android version 15. So if you want to relock bootloader of your Xiaomi phone, then how we can do it? Let's begin the video. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video if you got this video helpful. First you have to take a proper backup of your Android phone. After that you can also notice here in Play Store certification, you can notice here this device is not certified because this device already unlocked here. So I am going to lock the bootloader. Before locking this bootloader, make sure your device minimally charge 60% and take a proper backup of your device, because after locking of bootloader your device will entirely formatted here. So first take a proper backup and then power of your device. Hold here power button and after that you have to press and hold here power plus volume down button for fastboot mode. Okay, you can notice here my device successfully boot in fastboot mode. Then you required one PC or one laptop here. So I having this PC and currently it run on Android, Windows 11. So you can use here any PC or any laptop here, and you have to download here some file here. First you have to download the software file of your device here. So my device name is Redmi 12 5G. Then you have to search here your device name Redmi 12 5G or any another device, and at the last you have to search here flash command. For example, I have a Redmi 12 5G, then I will search here Redmi 12 5G flash file. Okay, after that you can notice here this type of link or page appear here. So you have to simply select your first link here. Then you can notice that this type of interface appear here. After that you have to select your region. For example, if you purchase this device from India, then you have to select here India, or if you purchase from global, then you can select here global, or any other region you can select here. Also you can notice here before XM MI, it means global version. Before XM EU, it means European version. Before XM IN, it means Indian version. Before XM JP, it means Japanese version. So I have purchased this device from India, then I select here India, and after that this type of page appear where you have two options here. First is recovery ROM and second one is fastboot ROM. If you so you have to download here fastboot mode, and also you can notice here by file size here. File size is more in fastboot mode as compared to recovery mode. Also you can compare this both file by help of format here. Zip file means recovery ROM and .tgz file means fastboot ROM. So you have to download here fastboot ROM here for your device. Okay, tap on download and you can notice here this type of 4 or 3 mirror appear here. So I am suggest here you can download by the help of third mirror because it is much faster as compared to different. So you can notice here I have already downloaded this ROM file on my Windows PC here. I mean software file in my Windows PC. First download this software file in your Windows PC, and after that you have to extract this file by the help of any tool you can extract. If you having Windows 11, then you can directly extract this ROM file. Before extracting, you have to download one more tool. Its name is Mi Flash tool. So simply open any browser and search here Mi Flash tool and download from the official Xiaomi Flash tool. Okay, download from this website here, and this type of interface appear here. So simply scroll down and tap on download now. After that this type of page appear here. So scroll down again and you have to tap on download. After that it will start downloading here. So wait for downloading this Mi Flash tool in your Windows PC. After downloading you have to extract out both file here. So open here file manager or file explorer here. Select your download folder. Then you have to extract here Mi Flash tool before. Okay, first extract this Mi Flash tool, and after that you have to extract here software file. Software file you can extract by the help of this file manager. So you can notice here I have successfully extract here Mi Flash tool. After that you have to extract out here software file. So go back and select your software file. Right click on software file and tap on extract all. Okay, tap on extract. So you can notice here I have already extracted the software file. So you can notice here after extracting this type of file or folder appear in your Windows PC here or Windows laptop here. Then connect your device with Windows PC or Windows laptop here. By the help of data cable, you can easily connect here. Make sure your device in fastboot mode. And after that, you have to open here Mi Flash tool here. Okay, so open here Mi Flash tool folder here. And inside the folder of Mi Flash tool, you have to create one more folder here. So how we can create? Let's talk about it. So first you can notice here this type of folder appear here. So open it. Again open this folder here, and here you have to create one more folder here. So simply type on new, select here folder and rename it, and rename here log. By the help of log folder, you have to save this folder. Okay, after that you have to run here Mi Flash tool. So scroll up or scroll down, and you have to find this Xiaomi Mi Flash tool. This type of icon appear on your Windows PC. So double tap on it, and after that it will ask for some permission. Then tap on yes. After that this type of interface appear here. If you tap on refresh, then your device code names show here. It means your device successfully connected with your Windows PC and Windows laptop here. After that, tap on driver here and tap on install, and wait for complete installing here first. After complete installation, it will automatic back here. Then you have to again open this Mi Flash tool here. So double tap on it, tap on yes. After this type of interface appear here. So you have to simply tap on refresh here. If you tap on refresh, then your device name show here. You can notice here. After that, tap on select, and you have to select here a software file which we have extracted from this ROM file. Okay, select your ROM file here. After that, this type of window appear here. So you have to select this ROM file here. So I am going to select this. So make sure you have selected your correct file here. After that, tap on OK. After that, you can notice here this type of page appear here. So you have to maximize your window, and after that you can notice here three option here. So you can notice here first option here is clean all and lock bootloader. So if you select this option, then it will entirely erase your data and bootloader relock here. And if you select here third option clean all, it means your software is flash but bootloader is not lock here. So you have to select here this clean all and lock. After that, you can maximize or minimize window here for tapping on flash. Okay, after that, tap on flash here. After tap on flash, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes. It depends upon your PC speed, laptop speed, or data cable speed, mobile speed. And so wait for complete flashing here. After complete flashing, your device will automatic boot here. So you can notice here after complete flashing, my device is start booting here. After that, it will automatic format all the data here, and after that again your device start booting here. You can notice here there is no any type of unlock icon or unlock symbol here. It means our device is successfully locked here. After that, you can quick set up your device and start your device. Like this type of some option here appear here. So you have to quick set up your device first. Okay, you can notice here I have successfully locked this bootloader of this device and also set up my device here. Let's check it out, bootloader is locked or not here. So first of all, you can notice here HyperOS 2.2, Redmi 12 5G, and currently running on Android version 12. First tap on 7 times on OS version. After that, tap on additional settings, open developer option here, and you have to find here the option of Mi unlock status. So you can notice here your device is secure and device is locked here. It means our device successfully locked here. By the help of this tutorial, you can easily lock your any Xiaomi phone here. And also you can notice here in Play Store this device is certified here. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you got this video helpful, then like and subscribe this channel.